Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'll be cooking crab curry. Let's start cooking. I've got our crabs here. Some of the ingredients I have on the side: coconut cream, curry powder, red and green chilies, garlic, ginger, masala, seasoning, Maggie flavour, and onion, cilantro. Okay, first of all I have cleaned our crabs, so I'm going to cut them. Next step is we're going to marinate our crabs. I'm just going to open one of our sachet here and sprinkle on top of our crabs. We're going to add half of our garlic and half of the ginger. Give it a stir. Put this on the side while we cut our chilies and onion. These chilies are not too hot, but I still have to remove the seeds because of my family that they can't handle the spicy food. I can handle these chilies, so take the seeds out if you don't want it too spicy. If you can handle the heat, then just leave the seeds on. Oil to our pan. Okay, let's go ahead and add our onions. Okay, so keep sautéing our onions until they're golden brown. In the meantime, I'm going to mix our curry powder with water. I'm going to go with 2 teaspoons of curry powder for now. Mix it up with water. Just leave that on the side for now. I'm going to go ahead and add our garlic, our ginger, and our curry. I'm going to add our crabs now. Let's go ahead and add 1 can of coconut cream. So I'm turning my oven on medium-low heat now. And we're going to simmer our curry with the crabs in the coconut cream for about 5 to 10 minutes. You keep checking your pot. If you need to add more water, go ahead and add a little bit of water. Let's go ahead and add our chilies. Just simmer it for 1 more minute or 2. turn it off. Thank you for cooking with me, for making crab curry with meals. I'll just go ahead and give it a taste. Oh, look at that. Some rice. So good. The meat is cooked well. It's got a little spice taste to it, but it's not too bad. It's not too spicy at all. So like I said, you know, take out chilies if you don't like it too spicy. I like a little bit of spiciness in the curry. I'm gonna get messy off camera eating this. Thank you again for tuning in and for cooking with me. Hope you enjoy this dish. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, turn that post notification bell on so you can be notified when I post a new video. To all those who have subscribed lately to my channel, and for all my subscribers, thank you so much for the support and for supporting this channel, Meals with Mills. It means a lot to me and I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Take care out there and be safe, and I will catch you in the next episode. Bye for now.